I'm feeling high. I'm feeling high.
So, hi everyone. In this video, actually मेरे एक सब्सक्राइबर ने मेरे को रिक्वेस्ट की थी कि जय आप बनारस से हो तो make some chart videos. I was like, हाँ, why not? Since he was not able to go down to the markets or the shops to eat the chaat, I was like, ठीक है, lips packing बना देते हैं, कोई नहीं. Because even myself, I'm not able to head out to the chaat shops. And वो कहते हैं ना कि मौसम भी ऐसा है, craving होती है. I was like, ठीक है, why not? So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make papdi chaat. So most of the things I've already made. Everything is homemade. And if you want to learn the papdi recipe or any other recipe which I'm showing you of a particular thing, so you can just comment down in the below, and you can drop the comments, and according to the comments and your curiosity, I'll jot down the recipe and I'll show you in the video format once again. You can follow me on Instagram, and you can also see the previous recipe videos. You'll get to the recipe videos in the I button. So that's most about it. So I'll just take you to the recipe now. So yeah.
Oh, 1 mile in fog patches and showers.
Now we got the chutneys ready. Khatti wali chutney, aloo ka mix, the sweet chutney or the salt chutney which is kept over here. It's a bit thin, but never mind. Now what we gonna make is मीठा दही, right? वो सबको मीठा दही बहुत पसंद होता है और हम लोग हमेशा ये सेकेंड टाइम मांगते हैं या तो बोलते हैं कि भैया थोड़ा दही ज़्यादा कर देना, ठीक है? So gonna take some curd. We're using a packet wala dahi. You can add sugar to it, either in the form of a granulated sugar or the powdered sugar. You can use whatever you have. I'm using granulated sugar, though I have powdered sugar because I want to add some taste to it. So थोड़ा सा whisk करते करते वो dissolve होना ही होना है. The dahi which I'm using is Amul dahi. So usually it's a bit thick. So when you whisk it, you'll get that consistency which you are longing for. Now we have everything ready with us. Now what I'm gonna do is start plating. And as you can see on the screen, I have started with off-center plating for a side just for the looks. So I'll start with the masala, right? The aloo ka masala.